Equals, is your Rowenta Cambio Gatillo making a dodgy noise? We are Kelatos IT, experts in tech repairs. We pick up your device from your door, run a diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no running around. We are located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. The dodgy noise could be caused by a malfunctioning trigger or internal component that needs replacing. Our team will identify the issue and fix it so you can get back to using your appliance without any hassle. If you don't want to take any chances, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right to your door across the entire peninsula. Link in the description.